The PS5 ShareFactoryStudio recently added new creator packs to the collection, and this video is going to focus on showing you all that the football creator pack can offer you. Generally there are custom intros, titles, outros, stickers, screenshots and transitions, and I'll show you all of these in this quick video. So let's first see the football intro, title and outro. And let's take a look at the football screenshot. There's just one of those. And then these are the football transitions. And then there's 7 football stickers. These are the football text fonts available. So on screen are the next videos to watch, and do check out the description to see all the other creator pack videos, and please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and please use support creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. Thanks very much.